another clean with me video. I feel like it's been forever since I filmed one of these. Coming to think about it, I think I've only filmed 2 clean with me videos in this apartment, like dedicated clean with me videos. So I think it's finally time to film one, especially because my apartment is a hot mess, like bigger than ever. I feel a little bit embarrassed that it's gotten to this point. However, I do want to give a quick disclaimer before all the negative Nancys come out to play. I did purposefully let it get like this so that I can get a YouTube video out of it. Win-win situation here. I personally find clean with me videos to be therapeutic, watching them and making them. So I hope you guys enjoy this video, and without further ado, let's jump right into the video. All right, let's start by showing you the before because it's pretty bad. All right, this is the kitchen at the moment. It was actually messier with dishes and stuff, but I have to put the dishes away. Oh, I think I didn't even start it. That's great. I have a bunch of random stuff everywhere, as you can tell. That's a new toothbrush that I ordered. I have a bunch of orders that I recently placed that I got. The living room is a hot mess. I was crocheting here. That's clean laundry that I need to fold. Some more folded laundry. The office. We already know. I know. I know. That's a new coat that I got. My older coat that I've been using. The bedroom and the bathroom. So yeah, this is what we're working with. So let's get started with the kitchen.
There is only one of you, only one of me. There's a million of those who won't let us be. But they're not gonna see me bleed. Cause baby, I got you. I've been beaten to the ground, dragged across the dirt. I've been scared to live cause some people never learn. But they're not gonna watch me burn. Cause baby, I got you. It's a new beginnings and a better life. It's the dancing underneath the disco lights. They can try but they can never take me down. Ooh, cause I'm not afraid, I'm not afraid to love, not afraid to love you.
creo que solo es amor. Por ti, baby, doy al mundo y la mitad en mi corazón. Baby, tú y yo, queriéndonos, sintiéndonos. Hazme el amor, y el que tanto dice tenerme. Hazme el amor.
Llévame contigo, alto la ficción. Llévame contigo, no seas maldita y no.
Tú sabes mejor que esos besos son los que dan suerte. Hazme el amor, olvidarnos de nuestra realidad. Te conozco poco y me provoca tanto cuando estamos en la cama. Esas ganas de hoy que nos tenemos no se dejan pa' mañana. Mi color favorito es verte desnuda solita pa' mí. No estoy seguro si tú estás consciente que te adicto a querer de ti. Es que ya, baby, que se da, si es contigo, vamos al cielo. Hazme el amor, y el que tanto dice tenerme. Hazme el amor, pa' que matemos la curiosidad. Tú sabes mejor que esos besos son los que dan suerte. Hazme el amor, olvidarnos de nuestra realidad. Me dice que no la pruebe, que me gustará. Si no quiero algo serio, que no vaya más. Me tiene adictivo a ese mirar y esos labios, baby, que quiero besar. Tú eres como el deseo que tuve de niño y ahora ese sueño que ya es realidad. Los dos sabemos dónde va el camino, directo a la ducha, baby, vamos a hacerlo ya. Es que ya, baby, que se da, si es contigo, vamos al cielo. Hazme el amor, y el que tanto dice tenerme. Hazme el amor, pa' que matemos la curiosidad. Tú sabes mejor que eso
Resignarme por completo. Ay, Dios, tantas cartas que
son los que dan suerte. Hazme el amor, olvidarnos de nuestra realidad.
Just one glass in, you're already on my mind. When it gets late, I always realize that I need you. Are you thinking about me too tonight? It's no secret, all my friends already know. There's no reason to hold it back, I let it show. All my feelings, are you thinking about me too tonight? Your hands around my waist, just let the music play. Like a drug, I am hooked on you. Sweeter than summer wine, baby, just hold me tight. Like a drug, I am hooked on you. And that makes me say, oh man, you make it feel like paradise. Goddamn, I think I'm gonna lose my mind.
Alright, just finished cleaning. There's honestly no better feeling of a clean home. I currently have a load of laundry going on. This is how it's looking like. The office still needs work. A lot of these are Christmas gifts and I also need to do an unboxing up here. So I left that there. For the most part, it's pretty organized. I also filled up this shelf. And then moving on to the bedroom. Cue the train. And lastly, the bathroom. Yeah, that's pretty much it for today's video. I hope you guys enjoyed it. Let me know in the comments below which other videos you want to see from me and see you next time.